Hello. I hope all of you are well. I am not done with this steel tank yet. And today I want to set up a solar steamer system with this tank. In fact, we want to prepare some food with this system in a steamed form. Fixed focus in this solar system allows us to use solar energy with a very high yield. In fact, with the focal and fixed point of this system, you can do a lot of different things. To start the work, I first pour water into the tank. Now I will put the pot lid on it, which includes a compressed rubber. To test the tightness of the cap, I turn it upside down. You can see that no water comes out of it. Now I place the tank at the focal point of the solar dish. Now I start the fixed focus system. Now we allow the water in the tank to boil. At this time, we are going to prepare some food ingredients so that the proper steam comes out of the outlet pipe. You can see that there is a concentration of sunlight under the tank and it heats up the tank quickly. The produced steam leaves this pipe and we will need this part of the steam outlet. You can see the types of electric and gas steamers in the figure. I cut up some zucchini. I have also prepared some small eggplants, which are very suitable for making pickles. And there are some carrots, and I will cut them all into suitable pieces. I have used 2 metal sieves. Two slices are enough for eggplants. I put a cylindrical plastic in the middle of this container. And the second metal sieve is placed on it like this. And now it is ready to me put it in the solar steamer. Well, now let's go and see if the water has boiled and steam has been produced or not. The water is completely boiling and our solar dish can bring 4 liters of tank water to the boiling point in less than 5 minutes. Now you can see the steam outlet pipe with some water coming out of it. If I hold the end of the rubber tube in this water, you can see how strongly the water vapor comes out. Because the ambient temperature is approximately 38 degrees, we do not see the steam released. To prepare the steamer, I first place a ceramic tile. Then we put 2 pieces of rectangular cube stone and place our container on it. I use this glass cylinder so that the inside of the steamer can be seen completely. You can see that because the surface temperature of the glass was colder, the steam was placed on it very quickly. We wait for a while for our steamer to do its job. For minutes have passed since the start of work and you can see that the food we want is being cooked. The distillation fan is also turned off because I used this system as a distillation device in previous videos. You can see how easily we were able to start a steamer. Of course, my experience in the field of steam cooking is not good, but it is better to give it time to cook for a while. Perhaps you would like to measure the temperature of the boiling water tank. Due to the presence of water in the tank, the surface temperature of the tank is approximately 91.4 centigrade. In different places, this temperature will be different because the criterion is the height above the sea level. The temperature of the steamer is also approximately 82.8, and if we did this at sea level, the temperature would be approximately 100 degrees Celsius. The ceramic is also slightly heated due to the impact of steam and its temperature is 47.7 degrees. It should be noted that the boiling point of water here is 80 degrees Celsius. Now less than 15 minutes have passed since the start of work and I want to remove the glass cylinder. Now I check with the tip of a knife to see if it is cooked or not. It is interesting that the knife easily goes into them, which means they are fully cooked. Of course, carrots are a bit harder and I will try a piece of it and it was a little hot. I will also try the metal sieve below. They are much better cooked. Now I will try it, starting with carrots, which I think is amazing. I try the zucchini and it's great. And its heat can be tolerated in the mouth. It was really interesting that all the food was cooked in less than 15 minutes, although we could have added salt or pepper to it at the beginning. The steaming method has several advantages. For example, all vitamins B1, B2, and B3 are preserved in food. Also, calcium and phosphates will remain in the food in this type of cooking. Therefore, with this steamer system, in addition to using clean energy, a healthy meal can also be prepared. I hope it will be a good experience for you. Bye until the next program. Most videos on Fixed Focus channel have their own innovation and you won't regret watching them. Thank you for subscribing and liking.